Hello guys, so this is Ikwuano, and I made this video the day I was going to Akwa Ibom. So come with me, let me show you guys how Oboro is, in the year 2025. I made this video I think August 2025. As you can see, the road is quite motorable. Driving down, until you get to a certain point where the road ended, and I think maybe work will continue from there when they want to finish up the road, but I don't know. If this is the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate you all for always making our chance to watch my video. So if you are from Oboro or you're from this part of Ikwuano, you can tell me in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch the video. So Ikwuano is just very close to Umuahia. In fact, the moment you pass Ikwuano, if you're coming back from Akwa Ibom, the moment you pass Ikwuano, you are going to get to Umuahia. We share common boundary. Umuahia shares common boundary with the people of Ikwuano. So if you're going to Ndoru Market, this is the road you are going to be passing through, the popular Ndoru Market. The road has street lights, so that if you're driving through this road at night, you can be able to see, where you're going to. If there's something in front of you without your, your car front light, headlamp, you will be able to see things. So that's the reason why the street light is there. And it also makes this place a little bit lively at night. So watch the video down to the end, and if you have anything to say about Oboro, this road, or anything about this video, then you can tell me or tell us in the comment section. So this Umunana energy service, I think you can fill up your gas there. They sell gas there. So you can see how smooth this road is. Very smooth. You might be tempted to start speeding. But if you're driving through this road, please do not speed. Speed no the help. You know waiting speed, the cost, you understand. So this is the Ndoru market, and you can notice that people are just clustering around. You see plantain, you find a lot of things here in this market. It's not even as crowdy and rowdy like it used to be. I don't know if I passed through this side late, or maybe this is not the market day, or you will still notice that people are buying and selling here. The markets day, bro, this road it doesn't used to be easy. This road, as you can see, people are even almost on the road, so when it's the market day, you see a lot more people here doing buying and selling. So this is where the third road ended, and this is where the journey starts becoming a bit problematic. When you go down, you see a lot of deep potholes that disturbs travelers along this road. And we hope that the government and the contractors are going to be back on site. The contractors, actually, not government. We pray that government would send the contractors to come back on site, because they were actually working on this road some time ago, sometime this year, and we hope that this road will be completed in no distant time, so that the people of Umuahia, people of Abia, the people of Akwa Ibom traveling and passing through this road wouldn't find it difficult to get to their destination.